Former Prime Minister Raila Odinga now says he will not betray Kenyans as he prepares to give a much anticipated political direction to his supporters on whether or not to formalize the political marriage with President William Ruto.
I know that we came from a very extensive campaign on the continent, and we are back at home. People are very anxious to know our way forward. And I'm listening to the people. I'm listening very keenly to what the people are saying. I've said that this country has been in a situation of conflict. And what we want is to see a solution to issues that are facing our country. I've mentioned one of them is the issue of governance, good governance. One, we want to deal with the scourge of corruption in the country. Secondly, we have seen the emergence of attitude of intolerance, where people are being denied right to engage, right to assemble, right to demonstrate. Then we have also seen people being abducted and confined for many days. We've also seen some people being murdered or being killed. These are very, very worrying developments in our country that we must bring to an end. Then we also have talked about sharing of resources in the country. We want to see equity in resource allocation in the country. We also want to deal with the scourge of ethnic discrimination, tribalism, so that men and women are given equal opportunity. We have got a very big percentage of youth in this country.
Welcome, my name is Caroline Mogore. Former Prime Minister Raila Odinga now says he will not betray Kenyans as he prepares to give a much anticipated political direction to his supporters on whether or not to formalize the political marriage with President William Ruto.
This youth can be a major blessing to our country if they are properly empowered, if they are given requisite knowledge and skills so that they can be productive. We say that we want to give every youth access to internet so that they can use this to help to create wealth using artificial intelligence. We have also said that this country going forward need to be united so that Kenyans can speak with one voice. And we know we've seen a lot of complaints in terms of service provision, in the healthcare. Many patients are suffering because of the introduction of what they call SHA.
Addressing a gathering, the former Azimio leader expressed his disappointment in the government's failure to address the challenges in the Social Health Authority (SHA). Odinga revealed that the current health insurance scheme introduced by President William Ruto's administration last year left thousands of Kenyans unable to access medical attention.
This mission is a consultative mission. I'm moving around the country to consult our people after what happened in Addis Ababa. I am thanking them for standing with me during the period of the campaign, for giving me both moral and spiritual support in that enterprise. We also want to see that our medical system is improved. The government is trying to introduce this what they call SHA. It is not working, but I know that there are countries where this system is working. If it is properly implemented, it will be a game changer in our society. Then There's also the issue of infrastructure generally, which we want the government to address in our country. This has not been addressed properly, but this can be addressed. Then you have also said you have got what we call devolution. Devolution was enshrined in the new constitution in order to ensure that there's more equitable service delivery across the country. It is not being properly implemented. Devolution is being undermined today. And that's why we blame the leadership of the counties, but they're not getting requisite resources that they need to implement development in the counties. We must increase the allocation of resources to the counties. We need to release functions which were already devolved constitutionally to the counties. In terms of health, don't keep so much money in Nairobi. Release the money to come down to the counties. In terms of roads, release the money to the counties. I see members of parliament even saying they don't want counties to get road maintenance levy fund, that the MPs want to be the ones who are doing it.